every word that you use either in Nepali or either in English are parts of any one part of speech. Okay. So we are starting. This is the only introduction to parts of speech. के हो parts of speech भनेको? Okay. Parts of speech भनेको the words we speak, they belong to some parts of speech we reading in the chapter. Okay. So let's move towards. Still your friends are coming. Okay. Let me share you the screen and we'll move towards the first one is noun. Okay, noun you have been reading in class 3 also. It is super easy. You have been listening about noun always. Then also we'll discuss something. Okay. All right. So let's see the slide. We'll start with noun. Okay. All right. Here is noun. Okay. So we have been reading noun is a naming word that gives name. Okay. A noun is a naming word which gives name to person, place, thing, or animal, or any idea. Okay. So noun can be of two types. It can be a proper noun also. It can be a common noun also. Proper or common ma duita difference. Okay. There is two difference in common proper noun and common noun. When exact name or exact identification or exact name when we use, that is proper noun. And when we use a common word that is used to denote all, okay, all in group. Kritika, why are you dancing? Are you dancing? Relax, okay? Keep your video on. Don't dance and listen, okay? Anyway, when a word denotes a single person, that is called proper noun. Like when I say Kritika, then it is a single person. You know about whom I am talking. Yes, this is a proper noun. If I say girl, every girl, it denotes all the girls. Yes, kun girl ho thaha bhaina. All the girl. This is a common word. Okay, a common word used to denote all is called common noun, and a single word which denote a single person or single thing or single animal, that is called proper noun. All right. The word boy is also a noun, and the word Hari is also a noun. Okay, so Hari is a proper noun because it denotes only one person, that is Hari. But when we say boy, it denotes all in one. सबैलाई boy भनिन्छ नि त, all boys are called boy, but only Hari means only one, that is proper noun. And the word which is used to denote all or many noun is called common noun. So here we can say school. Do you see the picture of school? Do you see the picture of school? Yeah. The picture here is school. School is also a noun, but it is a common noun. School भन्ने बित्तिकै all school you will understand. Yes, all the things. But when I say Paramount School, only one you understand. That is a proper noun. Your Paramount School is a proper noun. This is also a noun because it denotes a thing. When I say Paramount School, it is a proper noun. If I say only school, it is a common noun, which denote a thing. Okay. There is also one another picture you can see there is book. Yes. When I say book, is it a noun or not? It is a noun because it denotes a thing. Yes, it gives name to a thing. But when I say Cambridge book, your English is Cambridge, isn't it? When I say Cambridge, then you will understand this book I am talking. Yes, single cheese ladder batauncha. That is also a noun, a proper noun. All right. So there is a girl. Do you see this beautiful girl in the screen? This beautiful girl, if I say girl, that is a noun, that is a common noun. This can be any girl, okay? But if I say that is Sita, then that is a proper noun, Sita, okay? Which denote only one, someone, okay? Are you clear about noun? You are raising hand. Let's see next slide also you can see here. Noun can be proper or common, okay? When proper, if I say in Ram, that is a proper noun. We can also say boy, that is common noun, okay? Basically what you need to understand is noun is identity or name or denotation given to an animal, person, things, okay? Person, place, things, animal, okay? Are you clear? That can be proper also, that can be common also. Your Ram I have written. Ram denotes to one boy, but here name is given, that is called proper noun, okay? We can also say boy. If there was Sita, we can say girl. Girl is also a noun and Sita is also a noun. Sita is a proper noun, and when you say girl, that is a common noun. So Kathmandu is written here. Second example. So Kathmandu, you can say city, or you can also say capital city. If I use the word capital city, that is also noun. And if I say Kathmandu, that is also a noun. Next is book, a proper noun, and commonly we can say Cambridge, ulto paisa. Dog, Bruno. Okay, are we clear? I will talk to you. Okay, noun I'm not talking too much because we have already read. Noun is name of a person, place, thing, animal. Yes, all the animals. The word that denotes all the animals is also a noun. The word which denotes only one animal is also noun. The word which denotes all the places is also a noun. The word which denote only one place is also noun. Yes, and the word which denote all the people is also noun. And the word which denote only one person, one boy, one girl is also a noun. So are we clear? Are we clear about noun?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions regarding noun?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is there any
Yes,
question?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
All right.
No, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So now here is some sentences, some example I have written. Read the sentences and understand. Let's understand noun more easily by looking at the sentences. Okay. In the first sentence, you can see Ram is playing. Okay. First sentence, you can see Ram is playing the guitar. Ram, person, guitar, thing. Okay. So here Ram and guitar in this sentence is noun. Can you see the first sentence? Yes, your person and thing comes together in this sentence. Okay, let's move towards sentence number 2. In sentence number 2, he lives in Pokhara. Pokhara is name of a place. Yeah. So here the word which names a place Pokhara is a sentence. So let's move towards third sentence. Kathmandu is a big city. I have written there. Your Kathmandu, proper noun it is. Okay. So Kathmandu is a word which denotes a place, which names a place is a noun. And another one is city. City is also a common noun. City भनेको पनि कुनै ठाउँलाई बताउँछ. Okay, city भन्ने wordले पनि is denotes some place. That's why it is noun. Let's see example number 4. In example number 4, his father is a teacher. Okay, so here the common word father, okay, is used, is a noun because it names a person, it denotes a person. Okay, we have already studied what is noun. A noun is a word which denotes person, place, बताउँछ. Okay, denotes भनेको बताउँछ, person, place, thing or animal. Okay, so father means person, that's why it is noun. Is a teacher, teacher is also a person or not? I am a teacher, I am person or I am thing? What is, who am I? I'm a person or not? So teacher is a word that denote a person. That's why here in this sentence number 4, father and teacher is a word which denote person. That's why it is noun. The last sentence number 5. I can see you, some of you are raising hand. After I finish this sentence, I will come to you, I will talk to you. Okay, wait for some time. So the last sentence I have written here is sentence number 5. You can see there in sentence number 5, what is there? See, elephant is an intelligent animal. The word elephant is denoting animal. Okay, and the word animal itself denotes animal. That's why it is a noun. Okay, so here the word Ram, guitar, Pokhara, Kathmandu, city, father, teacher, elephant and animal are noun as they name persons, places, things and animals. I hope it is clear because we have already studied. We don't have to go too much deep. Common noun, proper noun also you will read later on. Not needed for this chapter also, but I have given you some small details so that it will be easier for you to understand. So main thing is the word which denote or which mentions a person, place, thing or animal are noun. All right. Okay, let's listen to you. All right, why you are raising hand? Not now. In copy you have written already. I had given in message. This is for to see, okay? हेर्ने अनि बुझ्ने, okay? लेख्ने कुरा मैले दिइसकेको छु. I have already given you. Okay? All right. What?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Anyone confusion in now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'm giving you classwork after this. There is a classwork after this slide. I will not unmute. I will talk to you. All of you will have to keep your speaker off. When I take your name and I will ask, then only speaker on garera bolne, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
When someone is asking me which subject, it is grammar. Okay, it's been so long we are reading grammar every Tuesday. Don't ask every class. In every class, someone is asking which subject. See the routine and come. All right.
Ma'am, I am not routine.
Routine is in the messenger. Messenger means routine.
Ma'am, there is not routine.
There is routine in the messenger.
Ma'am, whose name is Paramount 4?
Anyway,
There is not routine. Not there routine.
please. Keep your speaker off, everyone. I will ask you questions. In next slide I have prepared you classwork. Speaker off गरेर बस्ने, धेरै नबोल्ने. If I take your name, then keep your speaker on and talk to me. I have classwork in your next slide. Are you clear? And routine I have given you already in the messenger group. You can see there. Every class, हरेक क्लासमा what is subject भन्ने हैन, रुटिन हेरेर आउने. Okay, Sunday and Monday is English first and Tuesday is English second. All right, so now keep your speaker off, everyone. I will take your name, I will talk to you. Some classwork I have given for noun. Okay, ready everyone? Are you ready? Say yes like this. All right. Okay. So first is I'm asking is Bindu Adhikari. I can see one boy is there, but name is Bindu Adhikari. Please unmute and talk. Okay. Okay. Bindu, who is there? One boy is there, but name is Bindu. Please unmute your speaker and talk to me. Bindu Adhikari भन्ने नाम देखिरहेको छु मैले. Unmute your speaker and talk. One boy is there. I don't know your name. I can see name that is in Zoom. That is Bindu is written there. Are you listening? Are you listening, Bindu Adhikari? This is who is there? Unmute your speaker and speak. No any response. Anyway, next one is Utsav. Utsav. Utsav Bhusal. Can you hear me, Utsav Bhusal? Utsav.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now, do you see the screen?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Classwork, that is, you have to identify, sorry. Okay. Okay, this is your classwork. You have to identify noun in the given sentence. Okay. Wait for a while. I'm admitting. Okay. So here, question number 1, do you see? What's up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what do you see? One number is Butwal is a busy town. You have to tell me in one number sentence which is noun. Okay. Identify noun. Classwork. No need to write. You have to tell me.
Button. Okay.
Butwal is a busy town. Is a sentence. Utsav. Which is you have to identify noun in the following sentence. Which one is noun?
Button.
Butwal. Only? Only Butwal? Utsav? Okay, next one is Sushant. Sushant Karki. Okay, Sushant, can you see the question number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
In question number 1, there is a sentence, Butwal is a busy town. You have to tell me which one is noun in this sentence.
Butol and town.
Good, very nice. Butwal and town is also noun in this sentence. Very good. Okay. Town le pani thing lai janaउँछ र Butwal le pani thing lai janaउँछ. Butwal is a proper noun and town is a common noun. All right. Good, very nice. Next, Next one is I can see is this Bindu one. He didn't speak. What happened to you? I asked some question to you. Bindu Adhikari, I can see again. I want to talk to you. Yeah. Two number. Okay. Do you see? What is your name? Boy? Sorry?
My name is
Listen yet. Okay, 2 number answer. 2 number question. Can you see? I will visit you with my mother. Can you see?
Yes,
Okay. You have to tell me which one is the noun in the sentence. This is the speaker of others. Others speaker of राख्नु एकदम डिस्टर्ब आइरा छ. Only Bindu, this one will open, okay? Other keep silence. Okay, can you hear me? Which one is noun?
Yes.
What happened? Which one is noun here?
It's not.
With the name of person, place, thing, or animal. You have to find in the sentence. I will visit you with my mother. Place हुन सक्छ, person हुन सक्छ, animal हुन सक्छ, or person, place, thing, or animal. Try. Will you give answer? Okay, this video is also off. Here is Arogya Belbase. I can see is Arogya Belbase. Can you put your video on? Arogya. Arogya. Arogya Belbase. Is there anyone or video pani off छ मान्छे पनि छैन? What is this? Okay, Kushal. Kushal Ghanal. Kushal, I'm talking to Kushal. Okay, who is this मैले भन्छु? Sumit? Is that you, Sumit?
Yes,
Okay, I will come to you in next one. Okay. First, let me talk with Sushant. Sorry, Kushal. Yes, Kushal.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see question number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
I will visit you with my mother. You have to tell me which one is noun.
You and
mother.
Mother?
yes, ma'am.
Only mother?
And Jew also.
Visit also.
Jew. Very good, very good. Jew and
Mother.
mother. Very good. Jew is a place and mother is person. Okay. Next one, question number 3. Who is that? मैले भन्छु वाला. Sumit. Yeah.
Yes.
Chal, you can keep your speaker off.
Yeah, ma'am.
Sumit, where are you? Yeah, Sumit, 3 number. Can I have some water? Which one is noun? Yeah. 3 number. See their question. Don't look at mother or father who is there. Don't look at them. Tell me the answer. Can I have some water? Sumit. What is the answer?
Water and
Water. Yeah. And
head.
Have. Have is na person, place, thing, or animal. Have. Only water in the sentence is noun. Okay. Are you clear? It is something. Water is a thing. Okay.
Can I tell?
Keep your speaker off now.
Can I tell? No.
Okay. Avisha.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No.
Kritika.
Can I tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait for a while. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Samragi. I saw somewhere. Samragi.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Samragi. Yeah. Question number 4. Can you see? I can't hear you, Samragi. Okay. Question number 4. Always wear cap to protect from the sun. Which one is the noun? Two minutes remaining. I think we should join the class and read pronoun also.
Sun.
What do you think?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I say.
Okay, in question number 4, always wear cap to protect from the sun. Samragi don't know.
I will say.
Okay, 1 minute remaining. Okay, ask me. You can say. Very nice. Okay, the last one. Rara is the deepest lake.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah, wow. You can say.
Can I tell?
Rara, shouting. Good. Rara and
Ma'am, Rara.
all right. It's very nice to know that you have known the answer. Very good. Everyone is very talented. Everyone has known the answer. Noun is also very easy. In our next class, we'll see pronoun. Okay. Your homework is to write any 10 sentence. Okay, any 5 sentence. Write any 5 sentence and mention noun. 5 वटा sentence लेख्ने अनि noun लाई underline गर्ने त्यो sentence मा. Okay, your homework. All right, write any 5 sentence and underline noun. All right, this was for today. In next class we will see pronoun. See you everyone. Homework I have told 5 sentence, any 5 sentence and mention noun in the sentence. Okay, like this in your classwork I have given, same as in classwork. Okay, make some sentence. Okay, thumbs up everyone. Thumbs up. See you. Bye bye.